Discover Amanda Holden's stunning Spanish retreat for sale. If you've ever fantasized about escaping to a sun-soaked paradise in Spain, your dream might just come true. A breathtaking property nestled in the serene Granada countryside has just hit the market, and it's the perfect bolt hole for anyone looking to unwind in style. This charming home was recently showcased on the popular show Amanda and Alan's Spanish Job, hosted by the delightful Amanda Holden and the hilarious Alan Carr. Located in the picturesque village of Moclín, this three-bedroom gem was once a derelict building, but thanks to Amanda's creative vision and hard work, it has been transformed into a stunning retreat. Now officially on the market for €245,000, £206,000. The sale proceeds will support two fantastic charities, BBC's Children in Need and Comic Relief. So not only will you be investing in a beautiful home, but you'll also be contributing to a great cause. Amanda and Alan poured their hearts into this renovation, infusing the property with a unique Moorish-themed interior design. They even hand-picked exquisite kitchen tiles from the Burt and May factory in nearby Cabra, ensuring every detail was just right. After sitting empty for 35 years, this three-story village house has been lovingly restored while preserving its original charm. Step inside, and you'll find a master bedroom suite that boasts a stunning hand-molded ceiling inspired by the iconic Alhambra Palace. The bed is framed by elegant Moorish-inspired moldings, creating a serene and luxurious atmosphere. French windows with Juliet balconies overlook the vibrant village square, offering breathtaking views that will make you feel like you're living in a postcard. True to Amanda's style, the house features many elements reminiscent of her own lavish £7 million home, including bright walls and cozy details that make it feel warm and inviting. And for those who love to entertain, there's even a fun bar area, complete with dark blue wood, just like the one in Amanda's own abode. When Amanda shared the property link on her Instagram, her followers were taken aback by the price, with comments like, "Take my money," and "Can you believe this is cheaper than our property?" Many expressed their admiration for the stunning renovation, with remarks like, "Gorgeous," "Loved watching the renovation process," and "What a stunning property." However, Amanda's journey to create this beautiful home wasn't without its challenges. She recently stirred up some controversy by revealing that she took 28 flights during the filming of the show, which raised eyebrows given the BBC's commitment to reducing its carbon footprint. A BBC insider commented on the situation, highlighting the irony of Amanda's jet-setting while the network aims for sustainability. Despite the backlash, Amanda shared her experience on the podcast, The Rest is Entertainment, explaining the hectic schedule that required frequent flights back and forth. Her team later clarified that the actual number of flights was 16, but the environmental impact of travel remains a hot topic. The series, which airs on Fridays at 8 p.m. on BBC One, follows the success of Amanda and Alan's previous project, Amanda and Alan's Italian Job, where they renovated two dilapidated apartments in Sicily. With their undeniable chemistry and passion for renovation, this duo continues to captivate audiences while creating beautiful homes that inspire dreams of a life in the sun.